Yes, friends. Hi, hello. A very good evening to all of you. So yes, today we are going to do mock test 4 for mathematics. Hopefully आज तक जो हमने 3 mock test किए हैं उसका फायदा होगा. आज का mock test थोड़ा सा अलग होने वाला है only for the reason कि इसका level थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है. आई मीन जो क्वेश्चंस पिकअप किए गए हैं आज के सेशन में आपको थोड़े से ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग लगेंगे. So let's straight away dive into it. As I can see, there are quite a few people. रौनक is saying कि आज 9 बजे तक फ्री कर दो. डेफिनेटली कोशिश करेंगे यार कि 9 बजे तक फ्री हो जाए हम लोग. कल के मॉक टेस्ट से भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमने होमवर्क के लिए रखे थे, उसके सॉल्यूशंस भी ऐड करें. सो लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोज. Yes, friends. So yes, we have Aman, we have Arvind, there's Jayesh, there's Ronak. Awesome. Come on, guys. So yes, a quick introduction about myself. My name is Ganesh Pawar, BTech MTech from IIT Bombay, 10 plus years of teaching. Yes, hi Likita, good to see you again. Hi Jagdish. Yes, it's lengthy, but of course, those questions, उनके solutions add कर देंगे. You need to understand, guys, that BITSAT में it's going to be a balance. All question, as we saw in yesterday's session, अगर हम ध्यान से देखेंगे तो कल के सेशन में आपको ये ध्यान आपने ये नोटिस किया होगा कि कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे भी थे जो 15 से 30 सेकंड में भी सॉल्व हुए थे. Am I correct? Can someone confirm that? Yes. Yeah, good evening, Kunal, Shrihari, welcome. Yes, can someone confirm that there were a few questions in yesterday's session which could be solved in the time span of 15 to 30 seconds as well? Yes, binary wala मैं लेने वाला हूँ संचित. Yes, hello Lalit, Shreya, यू आर वी उर्फ मालविया. उर्फ आपका नाम बड़ा सही है. अभय गुप्ता, हाय प्रिया, very good. Hi guys, hello, very good evening all of you. So what I was saying is, in the 45 question set for a BITSAT examination, there always will be questions which can be solved using tricks, using techniques in such a way, by option plugging, option elimination, value plugging and stuff like that, जो कि 30 सेकंड के अंदर हो सकते हैं. सो ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, दे टू बैलेंस दिस देयर विल आल्सो बी क्वेश्चंस व्हिच विल टेक मोर देन 2 minutes as well. So the idea is to not lose faith in your thought process. Always give your best, keep on punching up, keep on working on these kind of questions. Always try and explore methods जिससे कि questions जल्दी से जल्दी होते जाएं. And trust me, after all this amount of experience, after all immense amount of practice, बहुत सारे mock test solve करने के बाद आप इस confidence level पे पहुंच जाओगे. You'll reach at that confidence level where you'll feel that yes, I can do the difficult questions as well. Because please try and understand, there's no escaping, right? I mean, there's no escaping difficult questions. You cannot say कि यार मैं बस easy question solve कर दूंगा, difficult छोड़ दूंगा. Of course numbers कटेंगे, numbers कम होंगे, right? So it's all about that race, and that race is to solve as many questions as possible in limited time, right? And we have been talking about it. So quickly, let's run through about the subscription. Yeah, I've been talking about. Yes, these are the numbers, and the 1 month, the 1 year subscription is at an all-time low. Yeah, just 12,500 rupees. But apart from that, if you use the code GP Live, yeah, apart from that, if you use the code GP Live, GP मेरे initials हैं Ganesh Pawar. If you use this code, then you will get a further 10% discount over the 3 month fee, over the 6 month fee, and the 12 month fee, right? जो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो 12,500, इसके ऊपर और 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा आपको, and you will get the yearly fee for 11,250, which I think is a phenomenal price right now. Because अगर आप ऑफलाइन कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स में जाओगे तो साल भर का फी आपका लैक्स में आ जाता है यार. So here you can get so many educators, not only 3 or maybe 6 teachers, but you will get so many educators, a long list of educators, and so many interesting things that will be provided to you. All the lectures will be recorded, all the notes will be provided to you, there will be polls and stuff like that at just this minimal fee. Yes, संचित, यू आर रॉक स्टार. आपको भूलने के लिए कुछ है नहीं यार, आप तो हमेशा याद रखते हो. या हर्ष यार, आई थिंक उसके लिए रीजन है सो दैट आप अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओ, और जहां यहाँ पे आपको जो ट्रेलर मिल रहा है पूरी पिक्चर मिलेगी आपको वहां पे. क्योंकि यार यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम लोग सब कुछ प्रोवाइड कर पाते हैं. यूट्यूब पे एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ चीज होती है, तो ये आपके बेनिफिट के लिए ही बोला जा रहा है. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली, दिस इज प्राइमरली फॉर दो स्टूडेंट्स जो 11th से 12th जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो उन लोगों के लिए 1 साल है. बट अगर मान लो आपको ट्राई करना है, या मान लो आप 12th स्टैंडर्ड में हो और बिटसेट अभी देने वाले हो, तो इवन इवन दिस इज ग्रेट, राइट? Just 99 bucks. यहाँ पे देखो 2,500 per month, but you can get this only at 99 rupees per month if you use this code. And that is why, because of the current crisis that we are going through, so Unacademy team is trying their level best to reach out to as many students as possible, help as many students as possible, and hence this initiative. So I urge you guys कि यार इस initiative का फायदा लो और सब अपने दोस्तों को भी बताओ, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स यूट्यूब पे हम चीजें जितनी हो सकती हैं फ्री में करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म पे अलग लेवल पे चीजें होती हैं. यस, प्लस पर भी बिटसैट की चीजें धीरे धीरे डेवलप हो रही हैं संचित. सो इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार इस अपॉर्चुनिटी का फायदा लेना बहुत जरूरी है, 11th स्टैंडर्ड 12th स्टैंडर्ड के पर्सपेक्टिव से भी और एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के पर्सपेक्टिव से भी. और बिटसैट तो सिर्फ केवल एक एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है, राइट? ऐसे काफी सारे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के बारे में बहुत सारा वीडियो लेक्चर्स और बहुत सारा नॉलेज आपको अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिलेगा. यस, सो आई थिंक रौनक और संचित ऐसे दोस्त बन जाएंगे यहाँ पे चैट करते करते. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन guys, let's quickly move on. Yes, everyone already knows about the 9th 10th platform that Unacademy has created on the Plus platform, and the 11th 12th platform to help all the CBSE students. Yeah, and as I have been talking about, हमारा एक trending video भी हुआ था कुछ एक घंटे पहले, and we were talking about how the concepts, how the basic fundamentals are extremely essential to crack any exam, be it be your 10 boards, be it be your 12th boards, be it be any एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स, आपके फंडामेंटल्स बहुत बहुत जरूरी है, राइट? एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस वी आर थिंकिंग फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ your 9th and 10th and your 10th and 11th and 12th channels. या ये बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि जेई और नीट के चैनल्स पे हम लोग कॉन्सेप्ट करते हैं और फिर तुरंत एप्लीकेशन लेवल पे पहुंच जाता है, डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाता है, कुछ बच्चों को दिक्कत आती है. सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हैव डू फेस प्रॉब्लम्स इन दैट, एंड हेंस एन इन डेप्थ conceptual understanding from the CBSE perspective is done on the 9th 10th and 11th 12th channel. So hopefully you take full advantage of that, help benefit yourselves from that, and then get what you deserve in terms of marks. Yes friends, yeah. All right, definitely I'll try and give some more time for tough questions today. One more time, GP Live, this code will help you get 10% discount over everything. But most importantly, 1 month subscription can be availed at just 99 rupees, which was originally available for 2,500 rupees. So this is happening due to the current coronavirus crisis. So use this code and try to take advantage of the Unacademy platform. Hopefully you'll learn and you'll enjoy, and then give our feedback, give the feedback to us, review us, and then accordingly we can help you improve at every stage of your lives, at every stage of your exam giving scenario. Yes friends, so welcome all to BITSAT mock test for mathematics. And as I said, today's mock test is going to have questions which are of slightly difficult nature. Yeah, but before moving forward, let me quickly go through these 4 homework questions. मैं इन 4 homework questions को solve नहीं करने वाला हूँ, because I went through the chats, rather the comments on the YouTube video of mock test 3, and I saw that I think Likhita and someone else also, I don't remember the name, I'm really sorry, उन्होंने कुछ आंसर्स दिए थे और 4 में से 3 आंसर्स तो करेक्ट थे दोनों के. आई थिंक अलग अलग क्वेश्चन, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव इन्वॉल्व्ड सॉल्यूशंस फॉर दीज होमवर्क 4 होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस. करेक्ट? तो होमवर्क 1 है, इसके अगले पेज पे इसका सॉल्यूशन है, करेक्ट ऑप्शन भी दिया हुआ है. ये होमवर्क 2 है, अगले पेज पे इसका करेक्ट आंसर और सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है. होमवर्क 3 इसका करेक्ट आंसर, करेक्ट सॉल्यूशन. होपफुली दिस हेल्प्स यू. ये हमारी डिजाइन टीम ने क्रिएट करके रखा हुआ था, सो होपफुली इट हेल्प्स अस. वी विल नॉट गेट टाइम टू डिस्कस, बट होपफुली द सॉल्यूशन विल हेल्प यू गाइस. दिस इज होमवर्क 4. यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन देने की कोशिश की है. सो होपफुली, वेरी गुड रौनक, ऑसम. So this helps you hopefully, and let's move forward. But this is one question, I think I did tell you that this is homework 5, right? But this is one question that I want to discuss. ये question को मैं discuss करना चाहता हूँ आप सब लोगों के साथ, because I guess कि ये एक ऐसा style का question है. This is one type of question which you would not ideally see in any other entrance examination. Am I correct? Yeah, because I think ये इस तरीके का question है जो मैं BITSAT में ही expect कर सकता हूँ. Yeah. Yes. So exactly. So we need to understand the concept. The concept behind this is this, कि अगर आपके पास एक binary number है, ठीक है, 1010. Let's say you have a binary number 1010, which I can't see in any of the numbers in the given question. Yeah. How to decode it and convert into decimal? Yes. Yeah. So this is the technique. All you have to do is keep the numbers like this. Yeah. The digit in the units place you multiply by 2 raised to 0. Yeah, the digit in the units place you multiply by 2 raised to 0. The digit in the tens place you multiply by 2 raised to 1. Yeah, the digit in the hundreds place you multiply by 2 square, and the digit in the thousands place you will multiply by 2 raised to 3, and this process will continue. Keep in mind, अगर यहाँ पे एक digit है तो उसको आप 2 raised to 4 से multiply करोगे. This is the algorithm, this is the technique of converting a binary number into a decimal number. Is everyone understanding this? Yeah, Jagdish, I'm trying to explain, don't worry, धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा. ठीक है, एनडीए में भी सही बोल रहे हो, एनडीए में भी हर्ष इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज कन्वर्ट दीज ऑल दीज बाइनरी नंबर्स into decimal, solve this particular expression and then reconvert it into binary. That's all you got to do. ये सबको समझ में आ गया है? ठीक है, तो एक काम करते हैं, 1001 को कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई एंड कन्वर्ट 1001. या सो बेसिकली 1001 को अगर हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे, सो एज वी सेड दैट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई the last number by 2 raised to 0, second last number by 2 raised to 1, third last number by 2 raised to 2, and the first number by 2 raised to 3. 4 digit number hoga tabhi, right? So let's see how this will get converted. So it's basically 1 into 2 raised to 0, so 1 into 1, 0 into 0 into doesn't give you anything, and 1 into 2 raised to 3, right? So 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 0. So ये जब multiply करेंगे, 2 raised to 3 into 1 gives you 8, and 1 into 2 raised to 0 gives you 1. So 8 plus 1, this gives you 9. Is that correct? Yes friends, this is 9. Now let's try and convert other things that are there. और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, right? There's 11, there is 101. All these things need to be converted. So पहले 101 को convert कर लेते हैं. Yeah, 101 को convert कर लेते हैं. Let's see what do we get with this. Yes, Vinay, I am. मैंने बोला था शुरू में, I guess. But come on guys, everyone please focus. 2 square, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0. Yeah. Awesome, that's yes Jagdish, overall it is not, definitely 1 into 2 square, so 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1 into 1, that is 1, so 4 plus 1 will give you 5, and hence 101 is 5. ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Very good, very good. So don't worry Ronak, it's fine. अगर आपको ये clear है तो बहुत बढ़िया. I'm trying to explain this for those who are looking at this kind of a problem for the first time, क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि अचानक आपके बिट्स में ये क्वेश्चन इस तरीके का आ जाएगा और आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, and that is why going through conceptual angle is very important, and that is all I'm trying to do for everyone, right? तो जिसको भी ये फंडा समझ में आ गया हो, प्लीज शुरू कर दीजिए सॉल्व करना, so that you can go to the right answer. कोशिश करते हैं 11 को कन्वर्ट करने का. अभी लेट्स ट्राई एंड कन्वर्ट 11. सो दिस इज 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0. 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 2, 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1, so 1 plus 2 is 3, so this is 3. I think more or less we have got everything. और कुछ बचा है क्या? 0 1, यहाँ पे 0 1 ही होगा, 0 0 0 0 ही होगा, 10 10 ही होगा, नहीं 10 2 हो जाएगा. Let's quickly do that as well. Please try and see everything in the expression. जो भी है, 1001 हमने ढूंढ लिया है, 101 ढूंढ लिया है, 11 ढूंढ लिया है, 1001 ढूंढ लिया है, 10 ढूंढना बाकी है, और 01 तो 01 ही होगा, 101 हमने ढूंढ लिया है, 101 10 ढूंढना बाकी है. That's it, I think. Yeah, that's it. Yes, is that correct? Is there anything else that is left? Let's quickly find all of them, friends. Let's quickly find all of them so that we can convert. Of course, जितना आप थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे इन टाइप के क्वेश्चन का, तो ये भी जल्दी जल्दी हो जाएंगे. Yes, so 10 will be 1 into 2, which is 2, and hence this number is 2. This will give you simply 1. Now, once you have all of this, all you got to do is plug them here, correct? Now, 1001 ka corresponding value is 9, 9 raised to 11. Now, 11 ka conversion is 3, so this is 9 cube minus 101 is 5, so 5 raised to 3. Yes, is everyone understanding this? Upon 1001 ka conversion is 9, 9 raised to 10 in the binary form, so it's 9 square plus 1001 is 9, 9 into this conversion, that is 5, yeah, raised to 1 hai, raised to 1 hai, keep that in mind, raised to 1 hai, so that's 9 into 5 plus 101 is 5, 5 raised to 2. Yes, this is how it splits. Is everyone understanding this? Likita, you need to go through the conversion of binary to decimal, correct? And that conversion I've tried to explain using this example over here, right? So all you got to do is starting from the last digit. If you have a 4-digit number, so the last digit has to be multiplied by 2 raised to 0. The second last digit has to be multiplied by 2 raised to 1, then 2 raised to 2, and then 2 raised to 3, and you keep on increasing the powers of 2, and then you add all these numbers. Are you understanding this thought process? And using this algorithm, you can convert any binary number into its corresponding decimal number. That's exactly what you have to do for all the numbers in binary that you see in the given expression. Yes, इस expression में हर कोई binary number को हम decimal में convert करेंगे using that funda. That's exactly what we tried to do here. Yeah, 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 square, which we have to not bother about because 0 into anything is 0. And lastly 1 into 2 cube. Yeah, 1 into 2 cube is 8, 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1, 8 plus 1 gives you 9, right? Like that we did for each and every number which is available. I hope everyone has understood now. Yeah. Yes, so once we did that, we try and solve this, yeah, in the decimal form now. 9 cube का value कोई मुझे बता सकता है? What is 9 cube? Isn't it 729? Yes, 5 cube 125 upon 9 square is 81 plus 45 plus 25. Yes. Now can we simplify and solve this? Come on friends, quickly. Let's see who can do this calculation fast. Yes, what do we get? ऊपर का numerator क्या आएगा? Won't we get 604? Yeah, 604 upon, what is the denominator? 70, 151. Yes, what do we get here? Don't we get 4? Come on. So 4 is your answer. The value of this expression in the decimal format, won't that be 4? So can I write it 4 to the base 10? जैसे हम यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हैं कि binary numbers को decimal in base 2 लिखा हुआ है. Is everyone understanding that? So all we got to do is write the answer as 4 in the decimal form and convert it into the binary form. Now we can see 5 is 101. Okay, 5 is 101. So can you just take a pure guess and a number which is less than 5, which is 4, 101 की जगह 100 होगा. So सही answer तो है option D. Yeah, and we'll just confirm that because if we try and multiply this with 2 square, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 0, you'll notice that this value will give you 1 into 2 square, that is 4 plus 0, and hence this is actually 4. So option D hence is your correct answer. So friends, इस तरीके का question अगर आपको BITSAT में आता है, I don't think you can make you can afford to make rather any mistake of this kind. Yes friends, come on. No Niyati, that will be restricted only to CBSE 11th or 12th. Yeah. And of course for JEE similarly you need to go to the JEE channel and register there as well, and there's a similar thing available at 99 bucks. So please go through. लगाते 5 second. Yes, but वो I'm guessing रौनक आप CS के स्टूडेंट हो, बताओ आप CS के स्टूडेंट हो? Kunal, I think depending on the expression, this should still take somewhere around 1 to 1.5 minutes, not more than that. Yes. Clear? Yes, you can solve this in faster ways as well. CS के students definitely score तेज तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Right, so चलो फटाफट आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move to the first question for today. As I said, today's questions are slightly difficult, but again these are picked up from past year BITSAT papers. So yes, as I said, थोड़े लेंदी क्वेश्चंस हैं, बट इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने का भी जज्बा होना चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए, कॉन्सेप्चुअली आप स्ट्रांग होने चाहिए और आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि आप छोटे छोटे ट्रिक्स कैसे यूज करके आंसर सॉल्व कर सकते हो. सो कम ऑन, लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन सॉल्व दिस. Let's say inside 1 minute, 1 minute 15 seconds. It's going to be difficult, but let's see. Yes. All right. या बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए उल्टा प्रोसेस होगा हर्ष. अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप इस तरीके से नंबर्स देख लीजिए कि यार अगर आप नोटिस करोगे तो 10 का वैल्यू एक आएगा, 10 का वैल्यू 3 आएगा, राइट. 10 का वैल्यू 2 आएगा. जैसे 0 का वैल्यू 0 है, 1 का वैल्यू 1 है, 10 का वैल्यू 2 है. यू कैन राइट दैट एज अ लिस्ट. मैं यहीं पे लिखने की कोशिश करता हूँ. 0 is 0, 1 is 1. अगर आप ये चीज याद रख सकते हो तो दैट्स अमेजिंग. 2 is 10, 3 is 11. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो हम सिर्फ बाइनरी, राइट हैंड साइड पे सिर्फ बाइनरी है. सो 0 और 1 से जो नंबर्स बन सकते हैं हम उनको लिखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ये इन अ वे थोड़ा सा परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन स्टाइल में भी चीजें जाती हैं. Yeah, and this process keeps on continuing. Can you see this is a list of decimal numbers starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the right hand side, we are creating binary numbers. Yeah, first 2-digit binary numbers, like single digit binary numbers 0 and 1. उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Then 2-digit numbers using 0 and 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. There are no other values that can be plugged in. If I say 0, 1, that's already taken care of here. Then 3-digit numbers 1, 0, 0 smallest, then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. That's all. Once you have all the three as ones, then 1, 0, 0, 0. फिर उसके बाद आप 9 को बोल सकते हो is 1, 0, 0, 1. 10 को आप बोल सकते हो 1, 0, 1, 0. 11 को आप बोल सकते हो 1, 0, 1, 1. 12 को आप बोल सकते हो 1, 1, 0, 1. I hope I am correct over here. CS students will know better. 1, 1, 1, 0. और ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं. I hope everyone is clear with that idea. Yes. 14 will be 1101 तो हो गया. It will be 1111. Is that correct? Yes. So let's try and solve the current question. ये current question theory of equations का है. Anyone got the answer to this? I'm seeing quite a few of you are saying B. Ronak is saying D. Let's see. व्हाइट डेविल यार जब कॉल आता है उन्हीं से पूछना ज्यादा सही रहेगा क्योंकि इन सब चीजों के बारे में ज्यादा आइडिया नहीं है. मैं आपको बस कोड के बारे में बता सकता हूँ. या सो लेट्स सी. यस Shriyari, that's interesting because this is a BITSAT question as well, right? So come on. This is a technique. I think in yesterday's class also, in yesterday's mock test also, we said that for a cubic equation of the format ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, and if the roots are alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, sum of roots is minus b by a, taken 2 at a time is plus c by a, and taken 3 at a time, which is the product, is minus d by a. Everyone's clear about it? Yeah, everyone's clear about it, friends. So now can we say in this cubic equation, yeah, a is 1, b is actually a, c is actually 0, and d is actually b. Yeah, here we are talking about a cubic ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. सही बोल रहा हूँ दोस्तों? और अगर मैं इस cubic से compare करूँ, if I try and compare it with this cubic, can I say that a is 1? Yeah. B is equal to A, C is equal to 0, and D is equal to D. And if that is the case, can I say alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 is minus A upon 1? Yeah. Can I say alpha 1, alpha 2 plus alpha 1, alpha 3 plus alpha 2, alpha 3 roots taken 2 at a time is plus C upon A, so that's 0. Yeah. And lastly, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 is minus D upon A, so in this case it's minus B. Are we able to understand these three entities, friends? ये सब चीज समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Come on friends, फटाफट. अगर ये चीज समझ में आ रहा है, now let's go on to these values. इन values की तरफ जाते हैं. Yeah. So can I say alpha 1, alpha 2 plus alpha 2, alpha 3? Yeah, alpha 1, alpha 2 plus alpha 2, alpha 3. या फिर this and this. Alpha 1, alpha 2 plus alpha 1, alpha 3 जो कि यहाँ पे है. Yeah, this is nothing but minus alpha 2 alpha 3. ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Yes. And that is because this is 0, right? This is because the sum is 0. So if we have two of them in the numerator, then the third entity is nothing but the negative value of that, of these two. This is nothing but this plus this is nothing but negative of that because right hand side पे 0 है. So can I say the three roots that we are talking about is nothing but minus alpha 1 alpha 3. This is our first root. ठीक है, ये जो पहला रूट है मैं इसको elaborately यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ. Minus alpha 1 alpha 3 upon alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3. Yes, और इसको simplify करके we will get minus 1 upon alpha 2. Is everyone getting this? So basically ये जो पहला चीज है, this is nothing but minus 1 upon alpha 2. Yes friends, everyone understanding that? Come on. Very good, awesome. तो अगर मुझे समझ में आया कि ये रूट माइनस 1 अपॉन अल्फा 1 है, ठीक है, माइनस 1 अपॉन अल्फा 1 है. दूसरा रूट जो है माइनस 1 अपॉन अल्फा 2 है, माइनस 1 अपॉन अल्फा 3 है और माइनस 1 अपॉन अल्फा 1 है, राइट? So basically what is happening is from the original cubic you are transforming to reciprocal negative roots. The original roots जो हैं वो reciprocate हो रहे हैं और negative sign भी लग रहा है, right? Reciprocate हो रहे हैं और negative sign भी लग रहा है. So using this idea you can put a variable y which is equal to negative of 1 upon x. So basically the new root y is of the form minus 1 upon x. This is called transformation of roots, friends. Transformation of roots का फंडा यहाँ पे लग रहा है. So as I said, थोड़ा सा lengthy problem है, but again this can be one of those tough problems of the set of 45 questions which can take you to the other side. ऐसा हो सकता है. This can also be that kind of a question जो आप skip करें अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके पास टाइम कम है. So it is always a judgment call. You have to be very smart depending on the timeline, depending on your pace, depending कि आपका वो कर्व कैसे चल रहा है जो हमने टारगेट बिटसैट 2020 में डिस्कस किया था. यू हैव टू टेक अ कॉल ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज सब्स्टिट्यूट x एज -1 अपॉन y. ठीक है, x को -1 अपॉन y सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है क्योंकि y is -1 upon x, the new root, but x is -1 upon y. So if you substitute that here, what do we get? -1 upon y the whole cube plus a times x के जगह पे -1 upon y the whole square plus b equal to 0. So let's quickly simplify that, and once we simplify this, what do we get? We get by cube. We get by cube after simplification. नीचे y cube है वहां पे चला जाएगा, ये y square है, ऊपर एक y multiply हो जाएगा, right? So we'll get by cube plus y और y multiply होगा, we'll get ay. Yeah, by cube, this is 1 upon y square, y ऊपर नीचे multiply, this goes there, and we have a -1 here, correct? We have a -1 here. Now of course this is your final equation, but we have to convert this back in the variable x. So if we are converting this in the variable x, what is the answer that we get, friends? We get the answer as bx cube plus ax -1 equal to 0, and hence option B is the correct answer. So जिसने भी option B बोला बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, no worries Ronak, that's fine. Learning curve 350 is a decent score Srihari, but I am not sure उससे आपको computer science मिलेगा BITS Pilani में. We have done a session trending video on target BITSAT 2020 3-4 days back. Please go and have a look on that. You will get all information about BITS the college. You will also get all information about BITSAT the exam. Yes friends, yes, it's a difficult question. As I said, today we'll focus a bit more on slightly difficult questions because always exam has a few easy and a few difficult questions. So we cannot ignore the difficult questions because every mark matters, correct? Let's move on to the next question, friends. Come on, देखते हैं ये कितने जल्दी आप कर पाते हो. Now this is also difficult but not as difficult as the previous one. This question can be solved inside 1 minute 15 seconds. Let's see how many of you can do that. Come on, fadafat. Very good Kunal, wonderful work. Come on. Let's see how many of you can solve this inside maybe even 1 minute. There can be people who can solve this inside 1 minute, but please do not make a mistake. Please do not make a mistake in this question. Be very careful about it. You can even draw a diagram if you want to, or if for that matter, you can also try and stick with the basics and do it algebraically. Yes, friends. Hi, Sanchit. Yeah, mechanical you will get mostly, Shriyari. You'll surely get that. All right, come on, friends. Fadafat. Quickly, anyone with the answer to this, or should I move forward with the hint for this problem? Come on. Wonderful, Sohera. Very good work. Very good work. Keep on responding like this. That's the correct answer. Come on, anyone else? Oh, that is why, Sanchit. Likhita, that's not the correct answer for this question. One of the correct answer is one of A, B, and C. Come on. Let's say we take the circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Yeah. And this circle passes through the center of the circle x square plus y square plus 1 equal to 1, which is basically 0, 0. 0, 0 is the center of the standard circle, right? Center of the circle is 0, 0. So our circle passes through 0, 0 and also touches this circle C2 x square plus y square equal to 8. Okay? And we are supposed to find the locus of the center of this circle. Now, what is the center of this circle, friends? What is the center of this circle? Can I say the center of this circle? See, locus find out karte samay generally we put h comma k. Yeah, and the center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. So we can say that h is equal to minus g and k is equal to minus f. Does everyone agree to that, friends? Come on. Very good SS, awesome. E is the correct answer. तो फटाफट देखते हैं. Now we know that this circle passes through 0, 0. ये हमने question में पढ़ लिया. So if we substitute 0, 0, if we substitute 0, 0, don't you think so it should satisfy, friends? Yes, 0, 0 should satisfy. So 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g0 plus 2f0 plus c, which clearly means that c is equal to 0. Yes, and if c is equal to 0, don't you think the equation of the circle that we are talking about is only x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0? C eliminate हो चुका है. Yes, C eliminate हो चुका है. Yes, now this circle, yeah, also touches this circle, and if we this both these circles touch each other after solving them, yeah, it's like basically s minus s dash equal to 0. After solving c2 and this, you should get the common tangent, right? Yeah, you should get the common tangent, don't you think, friends? Solving this and c2 should give you common tangent. Yes, friends. No worries, Shreyari, जिससे भी आंसर सॉल्व होता है. So if we solve this, x square plus y square is 8. So can I say 8 plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0? And hence we can say that gx plus fy plus 4 equal to 0 is your common tangent. Yes, everyone agrees to that. This is your common tangent. And friends, if this is your common tangent, yeah, if this is your common tangent, don't you think it touches this circle as well? Yeah, and touches this circle as well. Yeah, and if it touches this circle, don't you think the distance from ये जो line है, if it touches the distance from the center should be equal to the radius, and that's the funda we will apply over here. Distance from the center is nothing but 0, so g into 0 plus f into 0 plus 4 upon root of g square plus f square. Distance formula लगा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, and the radius is equal to 2 root 2. Do we agree? Yes, geometry से easy होगा, definitely geometry से easy होगा, definitely geometry से भी कर सकते हो. Very good work, Shreyari. Yeah, मैंने शुरू में ही बोला था you can draw a diagram and solve this, but here we are trying to do it elaborately using algebra as well. Yeah, couple of ways of doing this problem. Yeah, and when we solve this, what do we get? ध्यान से देखो, मैं locus के point of view से solve करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, so if we take this here, this is 0, this is 0. 4 upon 2 root 2 will give you just root 2. Do we agree to that, friends? So root 2 is equal to root of g square plus f square. Square both the sides, you will get g square plus f square equal to 2. Yeah, replace minus g, rather replace g by minus h, replace f by minus k. So minus h the whole square plus minus k the whole square is h square plus k square equal to 2. And to find the locus, friends, we always replace h by x and k by y. So you will get x square plus y square equal to 2. Option B hence will be your correct answer. Yes, friends, option B hence will be your correct answer. Everyone understanding this, friends? This is the locus method, but as quite a few people are saying, ज्योमेट्री से ये प्रॉब्लम काफी इजीली हो सकता है, तो फटाफट एक बार ज्योमेट्री से भी करने की कोशिश करते हैं, राइट? So again, going back to the problem, locus of the center of the circle which passes through the center of the circle x square plus y square equal to 1. तो इसको भूल जाते हैं 0, 0 because 0, 0 इसका सेंटर है. तो सर्कल यहाँ से पास कर रहा है, ठीक है, और ये अपना सर्कल C2 है, ये अपना सर्कल C2 है, which is x square plus y square equal to 8. Yes, and hence we know that this point is nothing but 2 root 2 comma 0, because if r square is 8, r is equal to 2 root 2. Everyone agrees to that? Yeah, now you want a circle which passes through the blue point and touches this, correct? So can I say this circle is basically something like this? So the radius is equal to the diameter. Does that make sense? Yeah, radius is equal to the diameter. So can I say the radius is equal to 2 root 2 upon 2? क्योंकि इसका जो डायमीटर है वो 2 root 2 है, तो उसको अगर हाफ से डिवाइड कर देंगे, या तो हमें इसका रेडियस मिल जाएगा, and that is equal to root 2. Yes. So can I say the radius of the new circle is root 2? If the radius of the circle is root 2 and it goes like this, we can see that the center is still going to be the same. All the options still are standard circles, and the center is going to be 0, 0. Radius is root 2. Square of the radius is 2. Hence, option B is the correct answer. One more method, very good method. Thanks a lot, Shatrughan, explaining that, pushing us towards that. So both the methods are here. Please go through it. Hopefully, it will help you. Moving on to the next question. Trigonometry. Again, as I said, it's not that easy a problem. आज के mostly सारे questions ऐसे हैं. फटाफट सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. ये भी हो सकता है आई थिंक 1.5 मिनट के अंदर, इनसाइड 1.5 minutes. Let's see how many of you can do that. Come on guys, quickly. Hi Legend, how are you? Very good. So even SS use geometry. Quite a few people also use geometry, which is great. Come on friends. Very good. Awesome guys. Come on फटाफट चलो देखते हैं कौन ये सॉल्व कर पाता है. एक चीज है, of course there are two things that we need to understand. One of them is easy, which is sine and cos can be interconverted in each other using complementary angles. So what I'm trying to say is sine of theta can be written as cos of 90 minus theta, right? Yeah, and that's going to be of tremendous help to us in this problem. Sine of theta is going to be equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Yes, तो ये चीज यूज करके आप इस चीज को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. Yes, but apart from that there is one more very important formula, so to say, where you have terms of cos and the angle involved is getting doubled with every term, and all these cos terms, trigonometric ratios, are multiplied to each other. ये formula काफी interesting है, important भी है as a shortcut. काफी सारे problems में use होता है, solve किया जा सकता है. Yes, I'll give this formula here right away on your screen. Yeah. So if we have cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, then the answer is sin 2 cube theta upon 2 cube sin theta. Yeah. अगर इसको थोड़ा सा और कॉम्प्लिकेट करना है तो इफ लेट्स से देयर इज अ फार्मूला cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 cube theta, all of these four things multiplied, then the answer is sin 2 raised to 4 theta upon 2 raised to 4 sin theta. Yes, sure Utsav will try to. समझ में आ रहा है ये फॉर्मूला? और ये फॉर्मूला को मैं ऐसे बढ़ा भी सकता हूँ. 5 टर्म्स का बात करते हैं. cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 cube theta, cos 2 raised to 4 theta. These 5 terms multiplied with each other will give you sin 2 raised to 5 theta upon 2 raised to 5 sin theta. Is everyone understanding this formula, friends? A very effective formula for entrance examinations. काफी सारे problems में use हो सकता है. Yes, very good, very good. Good work. Awesome, awesome. Soira is ready with her answer again. Awesome. Quickly, चलो कोशिश करते हैं ये इसको कैसे simplify किया जा सकता है. The numerator first will be written as cos 20 degrees plus 8 times. Can I write sin 70 as cos 20, friends? Can I write sin 70 as cos? Very good, Krishna. Wonderful work. Yeah, awesome. Yes, can I write sin 70 as cos 20? Complementary angles, as I said, sin and cos can be interchanged. Yes. Similarly, can I write sin 50 as cos 40? And can I write sin 10 as cos 80? अब ध्यान से इन तीन नंबर्स को देखिए, ध्यान से इन तीन नंबर्स को देखिए, cos 20, cos 40, cos 80. Do you get this feeling? Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta. क्या ये फील आपको आ रही है? Yes friends, एक बार अगर आपको ये फील आ रही है तो इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना इजी हो जाएगा. Yes, then you can say that this can be written as cos 20 plus sin 2 cube theta. So in this case it will be 8 times sin of 2 cube theta, मतलब sin of 8 theta. theta यहाँ पे 20 है, ठीक है, theta यहाँ पे 20 है, 2 theta जो है वो 40 है, ठीक है, और 2 square theta 4 theta जो है वो 80 है. ये समझ में आ गया? तो 2 cube theta 160 होगा. So sin 160 theta, rather sin 160 degrees, correct? Sin 160 degrees, the whole upon 8 sin 20. Is everyone adjusted with the formula? Formula के साथ are you able to relate with the formula now? Yeah, are you able to understand the formula, friends? Now it's time to solve. Of course, don't forget the sin square 80 in the denominator. Yeah, let's move forward from here. Let's move forward from here. Of course, the 8 and 8 will get cancelled. Sin 160 and sin 20 will also get cancelled, friends, because you know that sin of pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. Is that correct or not? Come on. So basically अगर theta 20 है, so sin 180 minus 20, which is sin 160, is same as sin 20, and these two hence can be cancelled. This will give you 1. 8 और 8 cancel हो गया, ये और ये cancel हो गया, ये 1 बचा. So can I say this is nothing but 1 plus cos 20 degrees upon sin square 80 degrees? Does that make sense? Yeah. Now can I write this as 1 plus cos 2 theta? Can I write that as 2 cos square theta? So 2 cos square 10 degrees. Yes, does that make sense? Come on friends, quickly. एक आध स्टेप हम स्किप करने की भी कोशिश करेंगे, मेंटली सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे. क्या मैं 2 cos square 10 लिख सकता हूँ इस चीज को? 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Does that make sense friends? Come on, very good. Very good Krishna. Awesome. Thank you Pradeep. Awesome, that's fun. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ संचित, आप देखो, प्लीज ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड. आई टेक अ फ्यू सेकंड्स टू एक्सप्लेन दिस वंस एंड फॉर ऑल टू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स हु आर राइट नाउ इन दिस सेशन. जो क्वेश्चन अभी आप देख रहे हो 45 क्वेश्चंस के सारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे नहीं होंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 5 या 7 क्वेश्चंस इस तरीके के होंगे. बट आज हम पर्टिकुलरली उन तरीके के क्वेश्चंस को समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड, राइट? You need to understand all 45 questions are not going to be like that, but we are trying to touch upon those questions so that you do not miss on that opportunity. Yes friends, denominator में cos 10 आएगा, cos square 10 आएगा, because sin 80 is cos 10, again complementary angle, sin theta is cos 190 minus theta, and there's a square, so square. After that you can clearly see that cos square 10 cancels, and hence the correct answer is 2. Option B is the correct answer to this. Yes, definitely this cannot be solved in 45 seconds. As I said, 1.5, say maybe even 2 minutes this will take, but again there will be a complementary question which can be solved inside 50 seconds. So इस 15 seconds या 30 seconds इस तरीके से बैलेंस होते हैं मैथ्स के क्वेश्चंस बाबा. और ये चीज मैं बिटसैट टारगेट बिटसैट 2020 में बोलता आ रहा हूँ और मॉक टेस्ट में भी बोलता आ रहा हूँ. सो डू नॉट पैनिक अबाउट दिस. All I'm trying to do is make sure that you are prepared for it, because you know that there are 45 questions, there's 135 marks at stake from maths. I want you guys to score more than 120 in that. I know it's difficult, but it's doable guys, and it's only doable when you do not take the exam lightly. And to not take the exam lightly, you guys need to be prepared about it. Yeah, भले ही वो easy question हो या easy question हो या difficult question हो, correct? Yeah, no worries Ronak, 1 minute 20 seconds is great. Here's the next question, again a question which will suck out time out of you guys. Come on, फटाफट solve करने की कोशिश करते हैं guys, फटाफट. Let's see how many of you get this quickly. Anyone? Come on friends, फटाफट. इसमें एक अच्छा डायग्राम बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. आई होप आप लोग डायग्राम बना चुके हो. ठीक है, I'll move on to the next page, but read the question very carefully, and that is why this is that kind of a question which will take time, which will ask more time out of you. बराबर? Come on guys, I hope आप सब लोगों ने अच्छा डायग्राम बना लिया हो. Krishna, I'm assuming you are going from 11th to 12th. Krishna, are you going from 11th to 12th standard right now? In that case, you need to start preparing right from now. Conceptually, you are getting prepared anyways, but you have to also start making sure that you are getting into that exam mode, and for that mock test is very essential, something that we have talked about in much length in the target BITSAT 2020 trending video. So अगर आपने नहीं देखा हो तो please watch that. That will give you a lot of insight on BITS the college and BITSAT the examination as well. Yes, हाँ बीटेक कोर्स ही होता है यार थ्रू शिवम. Yes, मतलब आप लोगों के लिए तो ऑफ कोर्स मास्टर्स के कोर्सेज भी होते हैं. Yeah, so Krishna, you are saying you have just entered class 11 from 10th standard. If that is the case, then all the more awesome, because you need to start learning from the concept point of view. And here, if not now, giving the entire mock test, because there will be questions which will not be able to understand if you have not done the concepts. Okay, so in our mock test, जितना भी हो सकता है कोशिश करते रहना क्वेश्चन समझने की, तो that will parallelly give you the exam experience as well. Yes. Awesome. So this is the diagram. I hope everyone has got a bit of an idea about the diagram. This is how it will look like. I've tried to mark the points as well. DE is the tower, D is the tower, this is your building, or E points it from the top of the tower. Angles are subtended as alpha, 2 alpha, 3 alpha on these points. Yeah, rather यहाँ से angles subtend किए गए हैं. Is the diagram clear to everyone? What has been asked is AB upon BC. Yes. Now we have to be very careful, guys. We have to be very careful about the diagram. Come on, everyone, please ध्यान से देखो क्या हो रहा है. Can I say that this angle here is 180 minus 3 alpha? Can I say that this angle here is 180 minus 3 alpha? Does everyone agree to that, friends? Yeah, this angle over here is 180 minus 3 alpha. Now, can I say in the triangle BEC? Can I say in the triangle BEC? Yeah, all the angles add up to 180 degrees. So, can I say 2 alpha plus 180 minus 3 alpha plus x will give you 180 degrees? And when you solve this, can you see that x is nothing but alpha, and hence this angle is alpha over here? Does that make sense? ये angle alpha आ रहा है. Does everyone agree for this? Come on guys, फटाफट. Angles का खेल है ये, बहुत अच्छे से समझना जरूरी है. That how do you involve BC AB into this picture? Yes. Now another thing. Come on, let's try and explore the other guy. Let's say this is an orange thing. Yeah. Can I say this is this guy over here, this angle over here is 180 minus 2 alpha. ये समझ में आ रहा है? 180 minus 2 alpha फटाफट. और उसके बाद हम ट्राइंगल ABE की बात कर रहे हैं. ट्राइंगल ABE में can I say this that alpha plus 180 minus 2 alpha plus y is equal to 180 degrees? Does that make sense? I'm calling this as y. This angle is y over here. Yeah. Now if you solve this, 180 will cut. Can you see that minus alpha plus y is 0? So basically y is alpha. Yeah. So we have got this angle as well. So this is alpha. Now with this piece of information, just look at triangle ABE. Look at triangle ABE, friends. अगर आप ABE इस triangle पे देखोगे, आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये एंगल भी अल्फा, ये एंगल भी अल्फा है. So can I say that that is an isosceles triangle? Yeah, can I say it's an isosceles triangle, and hence this side is equal to this side? Yeah, so can I say triangle ABE is isosceles? Yes, isn't it a good thought process? And therefore AB is equal to BE. Now why are we doing it? Because you know that to solve AB upon BC, yeah, to solve AB upon BC, it's not going to be an easy thing, because AB is somewhere here and BC is somewhere here. But now if I say that AB upon BC is nothing but BE upon BC, that gives you a motivation कि यार मैं सिर्फ triangle BCE पे focus कर सकता हूँ, because AB is can be easily converted to BE, right? BE upon BC is what we have to find now. Now focus on triangle. Now focus on triangle BEC. इस ट्राइंगल को फोकस करते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया संचित. इस ट्राइंगल को फोकस करते हैं, ट्राइंगल BEC. और इस ट्राइंगल में हम साइन रूल लगाएंगे. इस ट्राइंगल में हम साइन रूल लगाएंगे. यस, BE ध्यान से देखो, BE का अपोजिट एंगल जो है वो दिस पर्पल एंगल, एंड दैट पर्पल एंगल इज 180 minus 3 alpha. So can I say BE upon sine of that purple angle, that is 180 minus 3 alpha, yeah, is equal to, now the other thing that I have to involve is BC. Now BC is this, iska opposite angle is alpha, so BC upon sine alpha. Now once you reach this stage, the problem is done, because BE upon BC, yeah, is nothing but AB upon BC. Therefore I can say that BE upon BC is nothing but sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta, so it's sine 3 alpha upon sine alpha. Yeah, and now you know that sine 3 alpha can be written as 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cube alpha, yeah, upon sine alpha hai, right? So sine alpha common लेके it will cancel, and hence you will have 3 minus 4 sine square alpha, yeah, 3 minus 4 sine square alpha. Or you can convert this, yeah, इसको और convert किया जा सकता है. Option, yeah, sine alpha CE. एक second. 3 sine alpha minus 3 minus 4 sine square alpha will be the correct answer. Sine 3 alpha upon sine alpha, option A. But 2 alpha and this is not the same, guys. 2 alpha and alpha is not the same. So यहाँ पे I think एक हल्का सा मिसप्रिंट हुआ है, ये 2 अल्फा नहीं होना चाहिए, साइन अल्फा होना चाहिए. तो ऑप्शन ए विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. डज दैट मेक सेंस फ्रेंड्स? साइन 3 अल्फा अपॉन साइन अल्फा विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. Yes, I hope everyone is clear with this. या ऑफ कोर्स वैल्यूज प्लग इन करके भी ये सॉल्व किया जा सकता है, अल्फा 2 अल्फा 3 अल्फा, या वो उससे भी किया जा सकता है. Even in the answer, yes, you can do it by that method. Everyone clear with this, friends? Let's move forward. Let's move forward. Another kind of a question which will look terrible at the first stage. Yeah. Sec theta minus cosec theta 4 by 3 trigonometry general equation, and we are supposed to find out the solution of the equation. Come on, friends, fadafad. ना इज द सेम ना बाबा शिवम. बीई और बीटेक इक्विवेलेंट डिग्रीज है, या बीई और बीटेक इक्विवेलेंट डिग्रीज है. जस्ट दैट आईआईटीज में बीटेक बोला जाता है, बिट्स में बीई बोला जाता है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट इंजीनियरिंग. और जैसे हमने टारगेट बिटसैट 2020 के सेशन में बोला था कि यू नो कि बिटसैट एक काफी रेप्यूटेड कॉलेज है. सो अगर बाकी सारी चीजें फेवरेबल हैं तो यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई एंड अप्लाई, बिकॉज बेस्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, वेरी गुड फैसिलिटीज, इवन हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज आर ट्रिमेंडसली ऑसम. ठीक है, इसमें ये चीज अप्लाई करनी है फ्रेंड्स. सेक थीटा को 1 बाय कॉस लिखना है, कोसेक को 1 बाय साइन लिखना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो यू विल हैव साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा अपॉन साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा ऑन द लेफ्ट इज इक्वल टू 4 by 3. 3 you take up, so you have 3 into sin theta minus cos theta, 4 into sin theta cos theta. Let's see how does this get simplified. Let's see how does this get simplified. On the left hand side you have 3 into sin theta minus cos theta. Yeah, on the right hand side you have 4 sin theta cos theta, जिसको आप 2 sin 2 थीटा लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, इसको आप 2 sin 2 थीटा लिख सकते हो. लेट्स स्क्वायर बोथ द साइड्स नाउ. लेट्स स्क्वायर बोथ द साइड्स. व्हाट डू यू गेट? यू गेट 9 टाइम्स sin square plus cos square, sin square plus cos square minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Yes, on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you get 4 sin square 2 theta. Is everyone clear with this? Yes, friends, everyone clear with this? Now, you know that sin square plus cos square is 1. So, can I say you have 9 times 1 minus sin 2 theta, because 2 sin theta cos theta again is sin 2 theta. Now, you can see you are creating an equation, rather a quadratic equation in sin square 2 theta. Sin square 2 theta को आप t बोल सकते हो. Yeah, and therefore you can say that the quadratic that is getting created is 4t square minus 9 sin theta. You can put that on the right hand side, and you can have plus 9 sin theta, so plus 9t. 9 goes on the other, becomes minus 9, and you solve that, and you can hence say that therefore sin 2 theta, which is nothing but t, using the quadratic equation, is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is 9 square minus 4 into minus 9, so 9 square minus 4ac. Yes, upon 2a, upon 2 into 4, and hence we can say that therefore sin 2 theta, yeah, therefore क्योंकि ये none of these है इसीलिए, otherwise you could have straight away said कि यार आंसर जो है हाफ जहां पे बाहर है ऑप्शन ए होना चाहिए. बट देख लेते हैं. sin 2 theta is this, 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 9 is 144, प्लस में आएगा 144 plus 81 will give you 225, root of that is 15, so minus 9 plus minus 15 upon 8. Yeah, so minus 9 minus 15 will be minus 24 upon 8. Minus 3 is an invalid value, so minus accept नहीं करेंगे because sign lies between minus 1 and plus 1, तो plus accept करेंगे. Minus 9 plus 15 will give you 6 upon 8, that is 3 upon 4. So sin 2 theta rather, yeah, sin 2 theta is 3 upon 4. All right, again a lengthy question but काफी मजेदार thought process है. Sin 2 theta is 3 upon 4, so sin inverse of 3 upon 4 आएगा, जो अगर आप ध्यान से देखो सारे options में sin inverse of 3 upon 4. So you can say that therefore 2 theta is equal to sin inverse of 3 upon 4. Yeah, and you know how this will work then. Yes, minus 1 upon minus 1 raised to n, sin inverse of 3 upon 4, n pi plus that, and then 2 comes down to give you half times that. So option A hence is the correct answer, friends, because as you know, if you have sin theta equal to sin theta equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n alpha, and that's exactly what is happening. N pi plus minus 1 raised to n alpha. Alpha in this case is sine inverse of 3 by 4. This is 2 theta, and then you get that 2 down, and hence you have this half over here. Yes, so I hope everyone has understood. A good question again, but lengthy question, but you need to be prepared to solve this in the BITSAT examination as well, friends. Awesome. Let's move forward. अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलो फटाफट देखते हैं कौन ये सॉल्व कर पाता है. Come on, quickly. To help you guys, I have created the triangle so that you can get the values of a and b in terms of x and get rid of the trigonometric entities. Yeah. That's a good question, संचित. अगर पिछले क्वेश्चन में अगर आप देखोगे तो क्या हो रहा है ना कि रूट इन्वॉल्व है. एक बार फिर से देखते हैं. रूट नहीं, रादर देखो ये साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा है. यहाँ पे एक चीज हमेशा याद रखो कि साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा या साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा रखोगे, स्क्वायर करोगे आपको साइन स्क्वायर प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर आएगा, जिसका वैल्यू आपको पता है 1 है. तो दैट इज वन थिंग दैट पुशेस यू टू थिंक इन दैट डायरेक्शन. एंड द सेकंड थिंग दैट पुशेस यू इज कि जो आपका -2ab वाला टर्म है, विच अगेन गिव्स यू sin 2 theta, and you already have sin 2 theta involved. So basically the entire equation is trying to circle around sin 2 theta, and squaring that definitely creates more sin 2 theta term and eliminates the theta term, क्योंकि sin square plus cos square 1 हो जाएगा. तो it's always about a game of chess. Think 2 steps ahead. 2 step आगे सोचोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा. Yes, as I said, in this question I have created triangles so that it can help you convert the trigonometric ratios. Yes, so can I therefore say कि a का जो वैल्यू है, ध्यान से देखो फ्रेंड्स, a is sin of cot inverse of x. Cot inverse of x को थीटा लिया हुआ है, so cot theta is x in a triangle where if this angle is theta, then cot theta is x. Cot is nothing but adjacent upon hypotenuse, so adjacent is x, opposite is 1. Hypotenuse automatically becomes 1 plus x square. Yeah, I repeat, cot theta is adjacent upon opposite, so it's x upon 1 because cot theta is x. Hypotenuse is root of 1 upon 1 plus x square. And then you want sine of theta because cot inverse x is theta. Sine theta आपको यही triangle का चाहिए. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse, so a is nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse. So this is the value of a. Does everyone agree to that? Yes, very good. Similarly b के बारे में देखते हैं. यहाँ पे sin inverse of x को हमने theta लिया हुआ है. Sin inverse of x को theta लिया हुआ है, so sin theta is x. So in this triangle sin theta is x, so opposite upon hypotenuse x upon 1. This adjacent side automatically comes out as root of 1 minus x square. Now what you want is cot of theta. Cot of theta, as we just said, is adjacent upon hypotenuse, so root of 1 minus x square upon x. Now you can see that in here you do not have any trigonometry. All you have to do is simplify and get the value of 1 upon x square minus x square. So it's obvious that you got to square both the sides, right? So let's see a square क्या आता है. A square आता है 1 upon 1 plus x square. B square क्या आता है? B square आता है 1 minus x square upon x square. Yeah, but quickly I feel that यहाँ पे हम divide कर सकते हैं. That will definitely help us. Yeah, यहाँ पे 1 upon x square minus x square. Yeah, so this gives you 1 upon x square minus 1. I don't know if that will help. 1 upon x square minus x square. And this will definitely lead to something. This will give you b square plus 1 is 1 upon x square. Yeah, and let's see what does this give you. This gives you 1 plus x square is equal to 1 upon a square. तो इसका मतलब जो है x square का वैल्यू मैं यहाँ से निकाल सकता हूँ 1 upon a square minus 1. ठीक है, and that will give you 1 minus a square upon a square. ऐसे सिंप्लीफिकेशन किए जा सकते हैं. यस, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. बी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर, बी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर बोल रहे हैं लोग. 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. एक बार इसको देखते हैं. बी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर अगर हम करेंगे 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1. Yeah, so that will give you 1 minus x square upon x, the whole upon x square upon a square, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Correct? Yes. तो इसको simplify अगर हम करने जाएंगे, so will it give you this? Yeah, this is 1 minus x raised to 4 upon x square. That is what it should give, and that's exactly what it is. Yes, that's exactly what it is. That's the right thing, friends. बहुत बढ़िया, क्योंकि ये दोनों terms multiply होने के बाद you will get 1 minus x raised to 4 upon x square, and that's exactly what we have over here. So option A is definitely the correct answer. B square upon a square simplify करके आ सकता है. It's all about manipulating. After you get this, इसको square करने के बाद थोड़ा manipulation करना है और आंसर की तरफ जाना है. सही है? Everyone clear with this? I hope everyone has understood this question. It's inverse trigonometry, a bit of manipulation, not removing your leg from the pedal, not removing your leg from the accelerator. That's the thought process. Come on, next question. Let's see how many of you can solve this one. फटाफट. Very good, Saurabh. ये क्वेश्चन कौन सॉल्व कर पाता है देखते हैं. ध्यान से पढ़िए क्वेश्चन को. थीटा में इन्वॉल्व है, पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स में इन्वॉल्व है. यस, क्विकली. Very good, Kunal. Awesome. Anyone? Come on. Polar coordinates, as I said, that's the hint. Yes, White Devil, you are right. It's all about practice, a bit more practice of similar kind of questions, and you will be through. Very good, Ronak. You always are. Keep on working. Just make sure that whenever you do a mistake, make sure that you are not repeating that again. Make sure that you send a signal to your brain ki baba mistakes repeat nahi kar sakte. That's all I expect from you. Otherwise you are going in the right direction. Yeah, in this problem, this is a small hint. You need to understand polar coordinates. R cos theta का value x होता है, r sin theta का value y होता है. तो अगर हम इस equation में, in this equation, if I take the r up on the left hand side, I have root 3 r sin theta plus 2r cos theta equal to 4, and hence I can write the equation as root 3x plus 2y equal to 4, the equation of a straight line with a slope. As you know, the slope is minus a upon b, so minus root 3 upon 2 is the slope, right? So now if you want a line which is perpendicular to this, yeah, then the slope should be 2 upon root 3, correct? The slope should be 2 upon root 3. So ध्यान से देखो ऐसा कौन सा ऑप्शन है, ऐसा कौन सा ऑप्शन है जिसमें slope 2 upon root 3 है, बराबर है? That should be a thought process. यहाँ पे r cos theta को x लिया है, so this is root 3x minus 2y. Yeah, and if you take the slope minus a upon b, this will give you root 3 upon 2, so that's not the case. Same happens over here, root 3 r sin theta. Yeah, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, minus 2 root 3 y minus 4x. अगर हम यहाँ पे slope लेने की बात करें तो it will be minus upon minus, okay, it will come out to be minus, so even option B is wrong. Even option B is wrong. यहाँ पे देखते हैं, यहाँ पे root 3 r cos theta, यहाँ पे negative आएगा. Yes, यहाँ पे negative आएगा. What you want is this is perpendicular, right? This is perpendicular, so the slope is 2 upon root 3. You want a line which has a slope of 2 upon root 3, correct? So I think this is sin theta. यहाँ पे ये mistake हुआ है. I think this is sin theta. So 2 upon root 3 ये भी नहीं दे रहा है, ठीक है? ये sin theta होना चाहिए ऑप्शन में, if I am not wrong, और ये भी ऑप्शन में sin theta होना चाहिए. Yes, and then you will notice कि यार option D will come out to be the right answer in this case, क्योंकि यहाँ पे this is 2x and this is minus root 3y plus 2 is equal to this. And if you find out the slope is minus of 2 upon minus root 3, minus minus cancels, and hence 2 upon root 3 is what you get at the slope. यहाँ पे अगर आप minus 1 upon pi by 2 plug करोगे तो satisfy भी कर जाएगा. Yes, in terms of theta, yes, and hence you will get the right answer as option D. Yes, friends. Yeah, typing mistake हुआ है, but no worries. I hope everyone gets the concept. You need to understand कि यार final exam में ऐसे typing mistakes नहीं होंगे, और अगर होते भी हैं, even if they happen, you will get them as bonus questions. So if you understand that, it's all about the concept. Here we are here to learn. So I hope you have learned the idea over here कि r cos theta और r sin theta को किस तरीके से use करना है. Yes, friends. So moving forward to the next question. Come on, another very interesting question. आज के सारे questions ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे यार बहुत दिमाग लगाना पड़ रहा है और concepts थोड़े से अलग है. इसीलिए I think थोड़े कम लोग attend कर रहे हैं क्योंकि लग रहा है कि यार questions difficult है. But trust me, friends, जैसे मैंने बोला, आज के सारे questions, more or less सारे questions are those kind of questions which will only take about 15 to 20% of the questions in the mathematics section. 5 या 7 questions आएंगे, but वो questions भी important है, right? Because I don't think you would want to skip those questions. Come on, friends, फटाफट. Come on, let's see. माय बैड कामाक्षी, नॉट एट ऑल दैट इज माय इंटेंशन, बट वो रियलिटी है. सो अगर आप रियलिटी के साथ डील करना चाहते हो और बिटसैट फोड़ना चाहते हो तो ऑफ कोर्स ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व करने जरूरी हैं, राइट? क्योंकि पहले 3 मॉक टेस्ट अगर आपने नोटिस किया तो हमने काफी इजी क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व किए. एजेंडा सिर्फ स्पीड का था, द एंटायर एजेंडा वाज स्पीड, बट राइट नाउ द एजेंडा इज टू मेक श्योर कि डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस को भी हम डील कर सकते हैं, राइट? Read the question carefully, guys. The idea that will work over here is homogenization. या अगर नहीं पता है तो मैं हल्के से थोड़ा सा ये चीज बताने की कोशिश करूंगा. और रंजना, go ahead. So basically, if the segment intercepted by the parabola with the line, तो basically क्या होगा? मान लो ये आपका x और y एक्सिस है और ये आपका पैराबोला है, ठीक है? So there is a line, you don't know how where the line is because lx plus my plus n equal to 0, you don't know that line. Yeah, so let's say this is your line and these are the points where it intersects. So this is the this is the segment that is intercepted, this point and this point, point A, point B, let's say. Okay, now the endpoints of these intercepts, so basically A and B, when you connect it with the origin, they are saying they subtend a right angle. Yeah, the right angle at the origin, at the vertex. This is what is happening, this is exactly what is happening. Yes, in that case homogenization can be applied. Of course there are other techniques also. Parabola में आप जाके भी चीजें solve कर सकते हो, but यहाँ पे मैं homogenization use करने वाला हूँ. Homogenization says that using the line create the value of 1. Yeah, create the value of 1, and what we have done to create the value of 1 is take the n on the other side, make it minus n, and bring that down, so you can write that as lx plus my the whole upon minus n equal to 1. अब क्योंकि ये 1 है, किसी भी चीज से आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे उसका वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगा. k into 1 is k, right? And that's exactly what we are going to utilize and multiply this, and so that we can homogenize the entire equation. Now what is homogenize? Homogenization is a process so that the entire equation has the same degree. And in this case you can see कि यार y square equal to 4ax जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आपका डिग्री 2 है. डज एवरीवन अग्री टू दैट? y square is of degree 2 and 4ax is of degree 1 क्योंकि it's x raised to 1. So अगर मुझे होमोजेनाइज करना है, डिग्री सेम बनाना है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे डिग्री 2 है, राइट हैंड साइड पे भी तो डिग्री 2 बनाना है, और डिग्री 2 बनाने के लिए ऐसे होगा. या आई थिंक अबाउट 8:55 9 o'clock तक चलेगा बाबा. Yes, is everyone understanding? This is the process of homogenization. Homogenize the curve so that the entire curve becomes of the same degree. Now once the curve becomes of the same degree, you can say that this is a pair of lines passing through origin, which is actually the case in this and this. If you notice, a और b से जो हम लोग origin से connect कर रहे हैं, वो homogenization करने के बाद वो चीज मिलेगा. So let's expand now quickly. Minus n goes over there. Can I write minus n y square equal to 4a(l)x square? Yeah, and then expanding you get 4a(m)xy. Yeah, simplifying this you get 4a(l)x square plus 4a(m)xy plus ny square equal to 0. So this is your final homogenized curve, friends. ये आपका final homogenized curve है, ठीक है? And this is the curve जो ये चीज देता है. And now it subtends right angle at the vertex. Now we use this equation, tan 90, theta 90 है, angle between the two lines of the pair of straight lines is 2 root h square minus ab upon a plus b, and if this is theta is 90, denominator has to be 0. So a plus b has to be 0. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of y square. So 4al plus n equal to 0, giving option A as the correct answer, friends. Come on, everyone clear with this? एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन बिकॉज अगेन काफी सारा फंडा इन्वॉल्व है इसमें. जैसे मैंने बोला कि दूसरे कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी यूज किए जा सकते हैं मोर टुवर्ड्स द पैराबोला, बट लुकिंग एट द लाइन lx plus my plus n, it gives you an idea कि यार homogenization is two way to go about it. Again, one more question which is difficult in nature, lengthy in nature, but again as I said, today's class is all about that. Come on, and if you're really seriously interested about BITSAT, you will of course try and focus on that as well, because it's not only easy questions that you have to solve, also a few difficult questions. Come on friends, fatafat. Very good, military welfare. बहुत बढ़िया. A plus B is 0, यही फंडा यहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है. A plus B is 0 because if angle between the two lines is 90 degrees, the denominator has to be 0 because tan 90 is infinity. Denominator has to be 0. All right, option A is the correct answer. Moving forward to the next question. Another good question, another lengthy question. Let's see how many of you get it. Come on, guys. Y square equal to ax square. Oh, there's one tiny mistake. It's not y square, it's y. Y equal to ax square. Y equal to ax square is one curve, one graph. Y square plus 3 equal to x square plus 4y is another. Yeah, a is a positive constant and xy are real values. Number of points in which these two graphs intersect. This is more of a graphical question. Yeah, फिजिक्स का एक मॉक टेस्ट हो चुका है मिलिट्री, बट फिर कोशिश कर रहे हैं केमिस्ट्री के लिए भी. आपके रिस्पॉन्सेज जितने अच्छे आएंगे डेफिनेटली हम लोग भी मोटिवेट होंगे और चीजें करने के लिए. यस प्रदीप, आई डिडंट सी योर क्वेश्चन, कैन यू पेस्ट इट अगेन? yes friends, so let's see. Y equal to ax square is easy, right? Y equal to ax square को समझना easy है. this is y equal to ax square. yes, this is the curve because I know ax square x square looks like this. अगर a को मैं 5 डाल दूं 5x square वो थोड़ा सा ऐसा हो जाएगा, but it will always be starting at the vertex. I hope everyone is clear about it. Now the game is totally left to this y square plus 3 equal to x square plus 4y. So let's try and simplify this. Y square minus 4y, या 4y को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लेके आते हैं. ठीक है, अब इस चीज को कंप्लीट द स्क्वायर करने के लिए don't you think I have to add a 4 on both the sides? So what I'm doing is taking the 3 on the right hand side, making it minus 3 and adding a 4 on both the sides. Is everyone clear कि जो ये है यहाँ पे, yeah, this thing over here is the same as this thing over here. All I have done is adjusted things a bit to simplify. Yeah, yes. Now what do we get here? Y minus 2 the whole square equal to x square plus 1. Yes, does everyone agree to this, guys? Can we simplify this further? Think about it. Can we simplify this further? Can I write this as, yeah, I think this is the third question in all our mock tests जहां पे हम लोग हाइपरबोला से डील कर रहे हैं, और इसी तरीके का हाइपरबोला वेयर इट इज अ कॉन्जुगेट हाइपरबोला. आई मीन not a regular standard hyperbolas, but in fact this kind of hyperbola. Yeah, so can we see that the vertex is 0 comma 2, rather 0 comma 2 will be here. Yeah, 0 comma 2 will be here, and if this is the vertex, the hyperbola will be something like this and something like this. yes, इस तरीके का होगा. क्यों होगा ये समझो, क्योंकि a का वैल्यू 1 है और b का वैल्यू भी 1 है. सो सेंटर से ये पॉइंट 1 होगा, सेंटर से ये पॉइंट 1 होगा. सो द टू पॉइंट्स दैट वी आर लुकिंग एट, एक्चुअली दिस पॉइंट is nothing but 0 comma 1. This is 0 comma 0, this is 0 comma 2, and this is 0 comma 3. yes, correct. Now you can see that this hyperbola and this quadratic will definitely intersect at some point or the other, because this quadratic is going to increase like this. yes, so these 2 points intersection here, these 2 points intersection here, exactly 4 points of intersection. Does that make sense, friends? Come on. yes, and you need to understand कि a का वैल्यू कितना भी छोटा हो, कहीं ना कहीं जाके तो वो हाइपरबोला को इंटरसेक्ट करेगा ही करेगा, डेफिनेटली करेगा. क्योंकि देखो 0,3 यहाँ पे है, ठीक है, 0,3 यहाँ पे, और ये चीज हाइपरबोला की ऐसे जाएगी. yes, there will be asymptotes over here, and this guy is infinitely going to increase. yes, and that's why exactly 4 will be the correct answer over here. सोच के देखो guys. yes, awesome, 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 wonderful. चलो बढ़िया, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. नाउ दिस इज आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम अ रिलेटिवली इजी क्वेश्चन. तो चलो एवरीवन, आई वांट टू सी योर माइंडसेट. नाउ कैन यू ब्रिंग योरसेल्फ बैक एंड सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इनसाइड 30 seconds? कम ऑन, फटाफट. नाउ कैन यू ब्रिंग योरसेल्फ बैक एंड सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इनसाइड 30 seconds? लेट्स सी, फटाफट. बिटसेट के लिए काफी सारे बुक्स है रंजना, ऐसा बुक चूज कीजिए। देखो द थिंग इज देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स ऑन बिटसेट, आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड वन पर्टिकुलर बुक, बट द थिंग इज you need to understand that the primary objective of buying any book is not the concept alone. The primary objective of the book should be that it should have good mock tests, right? It should have good mock tests, and that is why I said कि यार mock tests बहुत सारे available online available है, ठीक है? तो अगर आप अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स अच्छे से एनसीईआरटी से करते हो, राइट, एंड यू डू अ लॉट ऑफ गुड मॉक टेस्ट एंड यू नो गो थ्रू द मॉक टेस्ट अगेन एंड अगेन, सी द सॉल्यूशंस आफ्टर सॉल्विंग देम, टाइम योरसेल्फ, एनालाइज योरसेल्फ, देन you know I think NCERT books, yeah, a few concepts which you have studied in JEE and application using mock test, analysis using mock test should be enough for you. And please do watch Target BITSAT 2020 क्योंकि उसमें मैंने और डिटेल में इन सारी चीजों के बारे में बताया हुआ है। यस फ्रेंड्स, ideally online, Pradeep, because you know, of course, right now you cannot go out of your homes, but otherwise also online platform, everything is you know evolving. Online platform जो 4 साल पहले होते थे और अभी जो होते हैं, जमीन आसमान का फर्क है, because with time everyone is learning, everyone is trying to analyze students, what do students like and how can we you know improve their experience. And of course online में आपको best teachers मिलेंगे, because you know of course in your wherever you stay, wherever whichever city, whichever place you stay, you will get your local teachers, but online you will get best of the faculty, best of the data, best of the content. So of course, and prices are also getting affordable, so why not, man? Yeah, so let's see. Of course latest rectum is 2b square by a, इसके लिए आपको b और a के वैल्यू चाहिए, distance between the two foci is 2ae, so can I say that 2ae is 10, and I know eccentricity का value दिया हुआ है, eccentricity is given as 5 upon 8, so 2a times 5 upon 8 is equal to 10. If you solve this you can clearly see that a का value 8 है, ठीक है? Now a का value is 8, you know for an ellipse b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square, correct? So can I say that b square is nothing but 8 square, which is 64, into 1 minus e square, which is 5 upon 8 the whole square. इसको solve करना है guys. Therefore can I say that b square is nothing but 64, 64 cancels, 64 minus 25 will give you 39. Yes, so b square का value 39 है guys, and hence latest rectum का जो length है that is going to be 2 times b square, which is 39 upon a upon 8. So 39 upon 4, option A is the correct answer. So as I said, this is another that kind of a question जो 1 मिनट में solve हो सकता है अगर आपके basic फंडे सही हैं, which is latest rectum का formula, distance between two foci का formula, और eccentricity का formula in ellipse. Yes friends, so whoever got option A is the correct answer. Wonderful work. Moving on to the next problem, फटाफट. Now this is again a good question friends, come on. Come on guys, फटाफट. Let's see who can get this one. This is an interesting question. I challenge you to get this question. देखते हैं कौन इसको ला सकता है आंसर को, फटाफट. नॉन पीरियोडिक, और यहाँ पे हल्का सा मिस्टेक हुआ है. आई थिंक दिस शुड बी a times n minus 1 and it will impact the answer. Yes, let's see who get this one. Come on. Yes, तो क्विकली इसको डिकोड करने की कोशिश करते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई एंड डिकोड दिस. When I plug k as 0, what do I get? I get f of x. Yeah. When I plug k as 1, what do I get? I get f of x plus 1. Rather f of x plus a, right? F of x plus a, not making silly mistakes. F of x plus a, then f of x plus 2a, and so on and so on and so on. Correct? And lastly I have f of x plus na. Is that correct? Equal to 0. Everyone agrees to this friends? Does everyone agree to this? Yeah. इससे पीरियोडिक का डेफिनेशन कहाँ पे पता चलता है? पीरियोडिक का डेफिनेशन तो ये है कि यार इफ एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस कैपिटल टी इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स, या देन टी इज योर पीरियड। या अब इससे तो ऐसा कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलता। सो व्हाट विल डू इज विल से दैट दिस इज इक्वेशन 1 एंड देन विल अप्लाई दिस, विल transform every value of x to x plus a. So now what will happen is equation 1 will change to equation 2 as f of x plus a plus f of x plus 2a. Yeah, आइडियली मॉक टेस्ट शुड सफाइस, बट जितना प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो उतना अच्छा ही है। अमर ज्योति डीएलपी ले सकते हो आप, एक्स प्लस टू ए प्लस सॉरी गाइस, प्लस एक्स प्लस थ्री ए, yeah, and so on. And lastly what will you get? You'll get plus f of x plus हमने क्या डाला है, x को x plus a डाला है, तो x plus n plus a आएगा, n plus 1 times a आएगा. Is everyone getting that? Yeah, if we put this we would get this as the equation. Now what you have to do guys is subtract these two equations. जब आप subtract करोगे ये सब minus हो जाएगा. Yeah, and then you will notice that f of x plus a gets cancelled with f of x plus a, f of x plus 2a gets cancelled with f of x plus 2a. Now do you understand why are we doing this? Yeah, f of x plus na will get cancelled with f of x plus na, जो इसके पिछले वाला term था, all of that will get cancelled, and then the first term over here will remain, the last term over here will remain, and hence f of x minus f of x plus n plus 1 times a will be equal to 0. Yes, now once you look at it you will see that these two things are equal. Yeah, these two things are equal, so f of x equal to f of x plus t. You can clearly see that your t is n plus 1 times a, so option b is your correct answer. So जिसने भी option b बोला बेहतरीन, बहुत बढ़िया, काफी अच्छा बिटसैट लेवल का क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर पा रहे हो, so that's a good thing. Yes friends, moving on, this is an AP problem, arithmetic progression problem. Yes, so of course ये फंडा, ये फॉर्मूला हमें पता है. Yes, so f of n ढूंढना है हमें. The first thing that you got to do is find out f of n. Now what is f of n? F of n using the formula is nothing but s of 3n upon s of 2n minus s of n, right? So it's basically 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 times d. Yeah, formula अच्छे से use करना है, mistake नहीं करना है, that's all it is. Yes, now what is s2n? 2n terms, so 2n upon 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1d. Yeah, making sure not making any mistakes, minus sn, so minus n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Quickly हम n common ले सकते हैं, yeah, और n को eliminate कर सकते हैं. Yeah, you can n by 2 ही common ले सकते हैं rather, फटाफट. ठीक है, let's see how this expands. Let's see how this expands. You get you get 6a in the numerator after expanding, plus 3 times 3n minus 1 times d. So let's just expand it quickly. We get 9nd minus 3d. Yeah, denominator में देखते हैं क्या आ रहा है, 4a minus 2a, right? 4a minus 2a will give you 2a. Then you have 4nd minus nd. 4nd minus nd will give you 3nd. Yes, so plus 3nd. Then lastly you have minus d into 2, so minus 2d, and this guy gives you plus d. Minus 2d plus d will give you minus d. Now do you notice that the numerator is absolutely 3 times the denominator? Yes, yes guys. So once you see that f of n is 3, this problem just shatters down. इतना ज्यादा complicated लग रहा था, problem कितना easy हो गया. So f of n 3 है, मतलब n की जगह आप कुछ भी value डाल दो, f का value 3 ही आएगा. So this problem now becomes very simple. It's f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 all the way till f of n, but each one of them is 3. So it's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 n times, yeah, upon n. Yeah, so it's basically 3n upon n, which is nothing but 3, and hence your correct answer is option B, 3. Yes friends, so it might look lengthy, but if you look at it objectively, फटाफट apply करो, बिना ज़्यादा time waste किए, बिना complicate किए, answer आपको फटाफट आ सकता है. Yes friends, everyone clear? Awesome, wonderful, wonderful, very good guys. Yeah, कितने भी infinite number of terms हो, n cancel होने वाला है, so it doesn't matter, especially because of the limit, n can be cancelled. I hope you can get that friends. Sanchit, option B is the correct answer. I hope it's clear. Yes, here's the next question. I'll keep this one for homework. Derivatives, जिसको भी 12th standard में समझ में आता है, definitely can differentiate this. Cot inverse का derivative minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Yeah, so minus 1 upon 1 plus this value the whole square will give you cos 2x. उसके बाद chain rule apply करना है to differentiate root of cos 2x. Keep on differentiating, plug x as pi by 6, you can get the answer. तो ये मैं homework के लिए दे रहा हूँ. Homework 1. Yes friends. और ये चीज आप कमेंट्स में आंसर इसके ले सकते हैं. आई कीप दिस एज होमवर्क टू. यस, कीप दिस एज होमवर्क टू. अनदर फंक्शन जिसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है, एच डैश जीरो, एच ऑफ जीरो का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, एफ डैश जीरो का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है. यस फ्रेंड्स. या नाउ दिस इज अगेन एन इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. कंटिन्यूटी के बारे में पूछा गया है. we need to understand कि इसका लिमिट क्या आएगा. लिमिट ऑफ tan x upon sin x डिवाइड by x, up and down. You know that लिमिट ऊपर लिमिट नीचे 1 and 1, that will give you 1. So it's definitely continuous at x equal to 0, but that's the only place because you cannot vouch for continuous other places, because you know that at x equal to pi by 2 the numerator is not defined, it's infinity, and hence you cannot say option A is the correct answer. Yeah, it's not continuous everywhere for sure. इट्स कंटिन्यूस ओनली एट x इक्वल टू 0. इसके बारे में भी आप कंफर्म नहीं बोल सकते हो, क्योंकि यू नो एट अदर पॉइंट्स tan x and sin x both is defined, so it's not only at x equal to 0, it's continuous at other places as well, and you for sure know that it's continuous at x equal to 0, so you can't say it's continuous nowhere, right? तो दो होमवर्क प्रॉब्लम दिए हैं, ये होमवर्क 3 करके ले सकते हो आप. दिस इज अगेन एन इजी क्वेश्चन. इट्स बेस्ड ऑन मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम. आई होप आपको पता है मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम. यस, so it's basically f of b minus f of a upon b minus a is equal to f dash x. Yeah, where x is between the values of a and b. Yeah, so there will be at least one value of x where this holds true. Yeah, NCERT के books में basic इसके फंडे involved है. Please go through and solve this one. Yes, I'm keeping this as homework 3, keeping this as homework 4. Yeah, actually there'll be quite a few questions. कुछ और questions बचेंगे जो आप solve कर सकते हो. या ये ठीक है, ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इंटीग्रेशन के सवाल हैं. तो ज्यादा करके जो बचे हुए सवाल हैं जो वो जो है वो 12th स्टैंडर्ड के हैं. ठीक है, तो whoever is in 12th standard, whoever is going to give BITSAT now can attempt them. तो majorly those questions which are from the 11th standard and difficult have been taken care of. So yes friends, it's time to close today's session. लगभग 9 बज गए. 9 बजे और एक सेशन शुरू होने वाला है. यस, सो लेट्स ट्राई एंड क्लोज दिस वेरी क्विकली. गोइंग थ्रू, दिस इज द शेड्यूल फॉर योर मंडे, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे लाइव डेली क्लासेस. शेड्यूल फॉर द ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे एंड सैटरडे लाइव डेली क्लासेस. वी हैव छवि मैम फॉर बायोलॉजी, उमेश सर फॉर मैथ्स, सुमित सर फॉर फिजिक्स एंड साक्षी मैम फॉर केमिस्ट्री. Yeah, Unacademy subscription. I have been always telling you why important it is, how important it is, because you have all these interesting and innovative features to help you go through your 11th and 12th standard boards, and not only that, but for your JEE NET as well. Yeah, all these interesting tools. We were talking about digitization and how technology helps us in the evening session, जहाँ पे हमने मजेदार मैथ्स के बारे में बात किया. दो इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल हमने सॉल्व किए और कुछ होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस भी दिए. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू कुड अटेंड दोस सेशंस, एंड इफ यू हैव नॉट सीन दोस सेशंस, प्लीज डू वॉच दोस सेशंस. आई थिंक देयर वाज अ गुड रिस्पांस और मजा आया काफी वो सेशन में, क्योंकि हमने मैथ्स को एक अलग नजरिए से देखने की कोशिश की. वी ट्राइड टू लुक एट इट नॉट फ्रॉम एन एकेडमिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ओनली, बट फ्रॉम एन इंटरेस्टिंग विजुअल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू हियर एट अनअकैडमी, सो दैट मैथ्स में भी इंटरेस्ट बढ़ा जाए और आपकी पढ़ाई भी अच्छी तरीके से हो. Right, so best educators, this is the process to download the app and then choose the plus subscription, get on to the category of your goal, CBSE class 11 12, and get your subscription at awesome insane prices, which is there for limited amount of time, so do take advantage of that. Most importantly, just 99 rupees 1 month subscription, and you'll get 10% discount over every facility that you have. If you have this code GP Live, you'll get the 99 rupees subscription also if you use the GP Live subscription, GP Live code. All right friends, 1 second. देखो अमर, सीन क्या है ना कि ये जो चीज है, ये पीडीएफ आपको पूरी तरीके से मिल जाएगा, तो ये वापस आप देख सकते हो. जो आप बोल रहे हो ये आपका 11 12 का चीज है, आपको वीडियो में भी वापस मिल जाएगा और आपको पीडीएफ में भी वापस मिल जाएगा ये शेड्यूल. सो 11 12 के शेड्यूल्स ये हैं. या और हर क्लास में हम ये चीज बोलते हैं, तो कीप ऑन अटेंडिंग. या लाइक आवर वीडियोस, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, या शेयर आवर वीडियोस, ट्राई एंड शेयर द नॉलेज दैट वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रोवाइड ओवर हियर, सो दैट ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग इसका बेनिफिट ले पाए. यस, सो दैट आपका भी फायदा हो, आपके दोस्तों का भी फायदा हो, आपके रिलेटिव्स का भी फायदा हो। लाइक द चैनल, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड डाउनलोड द पीडीएफ एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर। कुछ समय में पीडीएफ भी शेयर हो जाएगा, राइट फ्रेंड्स? सो यस, दीज आर द चैनल्स, लाइक इट। बाय फॉर नाउ, हैव फन, टेक केयर, यूज द कोड, enjoy the subscription. Tada, bye bye, good night, take care, enjoy, love you guys, bye.